How to create Instagram professional account. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from the top right corner, simply hit on the three lines. Here select setting and privacy. Now if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see account type and tools under for professionals. Then on the top, you will see switch to professional account. Simply hit on that and tap on continue, again continue, and keep going. From here, select a category in which you want to open your professional account and hit on the done. And simply tap on the OK and then you are good to go. As you can see, here is my professional dashboard. In this way, you can easily create your professional account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.